Hello friends, in today's video we'll be discussing about profile creation in Google Business Profile platform or app. That is basically a profile where you don't have an address where customers visit. It happens that you have such a business where customers are not visiting, you don't have a signage on that business, and mostly you are visiting to the customer or you are providing those services online. In that case guys, you don't need a business profile where address is mentioned or where there is a map location, because your customer doesn't need to reach to your location following that map. In that case guys, what happens is a profile without address where a service area is visible. And in this video I'll be sharing how you can create that particular type of profile using our tool Google Business Profile Growth Manager, and it's very easy. You can create that profile. Guys, there is a misconception in people's mind that you can create such kind of profile without having any address and you can just mention anything and you can create that profile, but it's not so guys. You need to have a valid address. Might be that address is of your home place, because that address won't be visible on Google at all. But you need to have an address, because it's possible that Google can send a verification postcard. Guys, Google can easily verify your map location with your address and can suspend it. So do take care of this, because if Google doesn't do that verification, then there will be a lot of fake profiles which people will create. So in this video we'll be learning about how to create this profile, and this profile, as I already told you, is applicable to all those businesses where there is no customer visit and you don't have an office, you don't have signage, and you are providing that business online, because there your website will be visible, your calling number will be visible, messages, a chat option will be visible, but address won't be visible. So let's begin. So guys, as you can see, this is a web version of our tool Google Business Profile Growth Manager. If you are using it through app, then it will be all the same. Interface will be different, but options will all be same. There also you'll get an option get started once you download that app. If you have not downloaded that app, I'll be sharing that link of that app below in the description section. You can just check, click and actually install that app and start creating your profile if you don't have a profile guys. So it's very easy. You will just go there, you click on get started, or it will ask you for login via your Gmail ID, and it will authorize through that. It won't ask your password, it will authorize through your Gmail account and you will be able to log in. So I have already logged in. I'll just click on get started. Once you do that, you will be asked to select a country, which I have already done guys. So you don't need to actually do that again. You have to do that once only. You have to select a country and then you will be logged in, where you won't be finding these kind of thing like these two profile as it's showing here. You won't find those things here, because in that case you don't have a profile yet. So you want to start creating a profile. If you already have a profile, you can click and add it from here, add more locations. If you want to create it as we are doing in this video, you have to click on this button of create business, as it's very simple. And I'll just keep a name of my particular business. Say I name it my digital services, right? So I just can click here, I can click here, and then it will ask me another option which might change in the coming time, because we are trying to bring a new option which is flexible and easy for people to understand, where you will get an option where you can select you have a shop, you don't have a shop, or you have an online business, instead of this yes and no. But here now what you have to do, you have to select no, because it says do you want to add a location customers can visit like a shop or office. So we don't want a location where customers can visit. Here we are creating a profile where customers cannot visit. If you want to know how to create the other one, like where you have a shop or a location, then we already have a video. You can watch that, and it's again the same. You have to just fix your map location in that, because here we don't have any map location. Now I have selected no, and I'll proceed to next. Guys, here I'll have to just add my business name, my digital business. Description, phone number, you have to keep some phone number, guys. Like I'll say tiffin service provider, right? I'll select a country, because in case of tiffin service provider, my customer doesn't need to visit my place. And I'll just click on create, guys, and you can see that it's saying location created, and the location is created, my digital business. And what you need to do now is to verify this particular location. As you can see, this is the location here. I'll click on get verified, and it's very simple. You have to now provide your actual address which you have, because I just told you need to have an actual address. Without address it won't work. So just take care that this address is correct one, and you don't provide a fake address. You can get lot many options like through postal verification, video verification, but here I have received verification on text or call. I'll just select this text option, and I'll click on text. I'll receive an OTP via message on my mobile device, which I can actually use to verify it. So I have received it, guys. I'll just add that and click on verify, and it says congratulations, your business has been verified, guys. So now your business has been verified, and you can see this blue tick, and the business is already there live, and you can see that business. I'll just click on this view profile option to see this business. Although it's given me a blue tick that it's verified, still it may take some time to get it verified. So it's showing here that it may take some time to get verified, as you can see here. And the best part, guys, you can see it's not showing an address, it's showing the service area. That means your address won't be visible, only this particular service area will be there when the profile gets live. If you have any problem, any issue in creating or validating this profile or verifying this profile, you can always contact us. We'll be happy to help you in our capacity. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you have understood how to create a profile where there is no address.